In this video, let's see how to book a hotel in Agoda. Head over to the Agoda official website. In the search bar, choose Destination or Property from the drop-down list under Destinations in the country you intend to visit. In the calendar, click on the date to select it as the check-in date. Make sure to select the checkout date on the calendar. In the form, select Number of Rooms and People to modify the number of guests. In the form, click the Search button to find available options. Now you will see a list of hotel options to choose from. Select the one you prefer from the search results. You can also see the price here. Click the Book Now button to proceed with the reservation. You can view the hotel's details, including reviews, pictures, and special arrangements. To proceed with your booking, click the Next, Final Step button in the Form section. Select the payment method drop-down in the payment form. Choose the preferred payment method from the drop-down menu. Enter your card details to continue with your booking. If you wish to book without paying up front, you can use Afterpay. Agoda also offers monthly payment plans through Affirm and Klarna. Once you've made your decision, click Book Now to finalize your booking. You will receive all the relevant details in your email. Click the Book Now button to complete the booking. So this is how to book a hotel in Agoda